everybody. I just thought I would hop on here and show you my grocery haul. This is just a Target and Walmart pickup. I didn't really get much from Target, literally like 3 things, but I'll show you guys that. This is going to be for us for the week. Everything else I kind of have already on hand. So I'll just go ahead and I'll get into it. Okay, so first thing over here, I have some chicken tenderloins, just the Purdue Harvest Land chicken tenderloins, and I got some chicken drumsticks. I've got some Band-Aids here. I've got some iceberg lettuce. So these I'm not 1000% sure what I'm doing with yet. I just thought that it just sounded kind of good to do some drumsticks on the grill. Josh likes that, so probably do these on the grill or maybe even in the oven. I did get these sweet potato cubes, like maybe to have as a side with this. So anyway, that's what that's for. I'm not sure what I'm gonna do with these guys yet. I've got some sour cream because I plan on making tostadas this week, and I know I'm gonna need sour cream. I've got some peppers, bell peppers, a 3-pack. These are so, you guys, they're so cute and tiny. I wish I could show you like a size comparison. Like literally about the size of a clementine. Like these are so little, but I have 3, so it's not a problem. So yeah, I've got those. I've got some iceberg lettuce for like sandwiches, and also the tostada. And I kind of wanted to try to make a different version of the lettuce wraps that I did last week. Maybe like taco lettuce wraps. I think that'd be really good. I got some green onions, some Triscuit crackers that someone threw on the floor and they gave to me. I got some tomatoes. Those are also for the tostadas, salad, stuff like that. These are super delicious, and they're on the vine. I love these. I could literally eat them like grapes. I've got 2 rotisserie chickens here, lemon pepper. They actually gave me a 3rd one for some reason, so I gave that to my mom. I've got some pretzels for hummus. We already have hummus from Sam's. Let's see, going on down here. I've got the sweet potato cubes I showed you guys. I've got some strawberries, some spinach, taco seasoning for the tostadas and the lettuce wraps. So probably what I'll end up doing is making like a big batch of taco meat and using some for the tostadas, and then the next day doing like taco wraps for lunch. I've got, so this is from Target. This is just the Good and Gather, the ground beef, because they were out of ground beef at Walmart pickup. So I ordered that from Target pickup, as well as some sharp cheddar because they were also out of that at Walmart, but they replaced it with the Colby Jack sliced cheese. I love the cracker cut cheese. So I've got 1 yellow onion here. It was supposed to be a red onion, but I guess they were out of that, so they replaced it. That's fine. I use onion in literally everything I cook. You guys, if you've been here a while, know that. I've got some green pepper. These are the tostada shells. These are so cute. I have never seen these before, and that's what kind of gave me the inspiration to make tostadas. I was like, oh, how cute, the little shells. So got those. Got some celery. Got some rice cakes. These are super good, and we're trying to like eat better, blah. So I thought it would be good to have those with like some sliced banana on top. I thought it would be really good. And then it's cherries are coming back again, you guys. These were super expensive, and I shouldn't have bought them, but I love cherries, so I was like, treat yourself, girl. So I'm getting some cherries. They were so good. I already tried one, delicious. Speaking of already tried one, Minnie already got into her little treats. These are her little busy bones. They're not rawhide, but she can chew on them for a little bit, and she has to get the little tiny ones because of her little underbite. And I'll insert a little picture / video of her here, so you know, if you've been here, you know Minnie's little teeth thing, but I'll put her in here. Good morning, Mama. Oh, she's so sweet. Good morning, baby. Hi. Oh, muffin. Little muffin girl. Oh. Oh, baby. Oh. You're such a funny girl, baby. Love you. I love you. Love you, baby. Love you. So yeah, I had to give her one when she got home. She was so excited. So yeah, so I got some milk. I've got some of this coffee creamer. I've never had this before. Josh's mom is coming to stay with us for a couple of days, and I asked her what she wanted, and this was like one of the only things. So I picked that up for her. And then, you guys, oh my gosh, these candles. Walmart is stepping up their game. I said it in fall. I'm saying it now in summer. These smell amazing. I actually got 3 of these. One's burning right now in my house. It smells like, I just can't even tell you. It's like all the good, like fruity, delicious, amazing smells. Like, I love it. And then this smells amazing too. Sweet sugared lemon. Literally a lemon soaked in sweet sugar is what this smells like. It's awesome. So got these little candles for summertime, and I'm super excited to burn them. But yeah, so that was pretty much it for this week's grocery haul. Like I said, this is going to be enough for us for the week. Sometimes they have bigger hauls, but we have like a lot of stuff left over from last week because we kind of ate out a lot this week. So, but yeah, that was everything. I hope you guys have a super blessed and awesome week, and I'll talk to you guys later.